Varsity jackets are very difficult to find here in India, let alone on budget basis. And in this video, I got 4 of them for you guys. First of all, don't get confused with bomber and varsity jackets, even though they look like same in terms of the overall construction, but they cater for different purpose and styles. First of all, in case if your style is inclined towards the casual or street style, you are good to go with the varsity jackets. Wherever, in case if your style is inclined towards the semi-casual to casual or semi-formal to that purpose, you can get most value out of the classic bomber jacket. Having said that, the key differences for a varsity jacket when it is compared to the bomber jacket: number one, the logo or big letters at the chest area, because generally these originated from the sporty purpose where the person need to be differentiated from others. So they used to have some sort of logo or a big letter at the chest area. Number two, the color blocked sleeves area. Either it can be of a different color or the sleeves are made of different material altogether. Just like the one which I'm wearing here, it's made of leather and it's a suede one. Number three, stripes at the neck area, cuffs as well as the waistband. As I already mentioned, it's very difficult to find a varsity jacket here in India. All the jackets in this video at least checkmarks one of the key differences with the bomber jacket. All the varsity jackets I picked from Flipkart, which is India ka fashion capital. I like Flipkart for few reasons. Number one, it's one of the best value for money platform with more than 10 lakh plus styles starting from 199 rupees. So you are not limited to options. You have genuine, high quality national as well as international brands. And to top it all, you can also find hand-picked curated styles from influencers that's gonna be updated on a weekly basis. All the items are Flipkart assured with 6 quality checks and super quick 48 hours delivery with easy returns and exchanges. That's a bonus, right? Now, let us get started with the varsity jacket number one. It is a red and blue color blocked full sleeve jacket from Van Heusen Sport that I got it in a size of medium. It is priced super highly at 4,500 rupees. I got this at a price point of 1,900 rupees because on Flipkart for winter wear you can get discounts from 40 to 80% off. In specific for jackets, hoodies or sweatshirt, you can get from 40 to 60% off. I got a crazy discount on this one, bringing down the price point close to 1,900 rupees. For this varsity jacket, I actually ran a poll on Instagram for which 80% of the people said yes, means to buy. So I got this one. I can easily say that it is one of the best varsity jacket you can find under 2,000 rupees because it checkmarks all the 3 key differences which I mentioned earlier. First of all, this have a logo at the chest area, even though it's super subtle. Number two, I really like the color combination of this varsity jacket. Here, the base color is the red color, which is a pop color. And to tune it down, the sleeve color here is the blue color. Overall, the color blocking has been done really well. Number three, in terms of the stripes, at the collar as well as the cuffs and waistband area, they are like subtle. They have the white color and blue color. Blue color is already color coordinated with the sleeves color, and the pop color is the red color here, and they have gone with the neutral color for one of the stripes. When it comes to the composition of the varsity jacket, it is made of polyester and it's really premium. Fit is most important when it comes to varsity jacket, and it fits really well. It altogether have that sporty kind of a fit. It do have some little bit extra room, even though I went true to size, and this is a perfect fit when it comes to the varsity jacket. Overall, if you have a budget close to 2,000 rupees, it's a must buy when it comes to varsity jacket, in case if your style falls under the street or maybe super casual sporty style. If not, you are good to go with the bomber jackets itself. In specific for the jacket number two, it is a blue color full sleeve jacket from Metronaut that I got it in a size of medium. It is priced at 2,300 rupees, but there was some 60 to 70% off going on this one. That brings down the price point close to 650 to 700 rupees. Overall, it's a super affordable option. So what exactly I like when it comes to this varsity jacket? Of course, the base color. Here they do not have any color blocking going on. That's one of the key differences. But as I mentioned earlier, at least if there is one key difference, I considered them as a varsity jacket for this video. And for this one, the blue color is the base, and on top of that, they have this logo here at the chest area with M written on it. M stands for Metronaut here. And when it comes to the stripes at the neck area as well as the cuffs and waistband, it has been color coordinated with the blue and also with the gray color. When it comes to the material composition, it's a cotton blended one, and it is having a mixture of cotton and polyester to it, but it is having a more composition of cotton. It's more like a sweatshirt kind of a material rather than a bomber kind of a polyester or some sort of other materials generally used for bomber, but it looks really cool with the logo going on and also the stripes going on, and overall the base color is blue. When it comes to fit of this jacket, it's a slim fit jacket. In case if you want to use hoodie or any mock necks or some thicker materials as the base under this jacket, make sure that you size up. I just wanted to use this jacket with a t-shirt, so I have gone true to size. Overall it fits well, but it is not as good as the previous option when it comes to fit. Having said that, in case if your budget falls somewhere around 700 to 800 rupees but wanted to invest in varsity style, not entirely in terms of materials but in terms of style, this is a great option you can consider. That brings me to the jacket number 3, which is a full sleeves color blocked jacket from Jack & Jones that is priced super highly at 6,500 rupees. But after 70% off, I got this under 2,000 rupees. That's a crazy price point for the quality and the materials. You do not have any logos or any stripes here, but still it can be considered as a varsity jacket because here the sleeves are differentiated. And the best part for this jacket, it's an all black jacket. It can never go out of style. When it comes to the material here, they have used a Swedish kind of, although it's not a genuine suede kind of a leather finish. And when it comes to the sleeves area, it's made of PU leather. Altogether, it gives the vibe of a leather bomber jacket and also a varsity jacket with the sleeves having a different composition of material. When it comes to fit, it's a slim fit jacket. I went true to size with the size medium, and I suggest you guys to go that way because this kind of a jacket with leather sleeves going on, I think so true to size is the best way to go. Not having too much room or too oversized doesn't help because these are classic option among the jackets you are gonna see in this video. I totally understand you guys, 2,000 rupees may not be a budget for each and everyone, but don't forget this is a 6,500 rupees option. The quality you get at the cuffs area in terms of elasticity and also at the waistband in terms of the overall PU leather they have gone for and the suede finish you get or a velvety kind of finish you get with the rest of the jacket, it's worth investing. Now let's move on to the jacket number 4. It is a white and black color blocked full sleeve jacket from Reebok. It's a sports brand and so are varsity jackets. What exactly I like? The colors they have gone for. It's a classic white and black. Yes, they do have the contrast because it's a white and black, right? But it can work really well. This jacket is primarily focused towards the sports purpose. That's why it's made of polyester. But if you can see the collar or even the cuffs, the overall construction of this jacket is more similar to the bomber jacket. That's why I have gone with this option. When it comes to varsity jackets, the characteristic it have is the color blocking. If you can see that closely, the base color of this jacket or the major portion of this jacket have the black color with the sleeves going on with the white color. But once you turn backside, they have the huge branding of Reebok. Even though you have the small logo on the front side, but the main center of attraction here is on the back side. They have the print going on the back side. Most of the reviews suggested to size down. I went with small size for this option, but don't do that. Go true to size. It's a little bit constricting when it comes to the overall movement because I sized down. Overall, I like the quality of it and I also like how it looks. Having said that, these are the 4 budget varsity jackets I got for this video. And do let me know in the comment section below which you like the most, and also don't forget to click the like down below because there is a giveaway going on this video as well. Once the video crosses 1000 likes, one lucky winner who liked and commented for this video will be selected. Winner will be announced on my Instagram as well as in the description of this video, so keep an eye on it. And that lucky winner can order any of the jackets mentioned in this video in your size, and the cost is on me. Having said that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. That's it from me. See you next time.